How to make $200 per month from Google Maps. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to explain a method to generate from $200 to $2,000 per month, and you won't need any skill. You will only need to find small business owners that need help with bad reviews and ranking in the search. And for that, we are going to use Google Maps. Then you'll go to Fiverr.com to hire a freelancer to deliver the service instead of you delivering it. So let's get started by taking you in a step by step on how you can make money with this method. So here, open your favorite browser, then open Google Maps in the browser, and then go to the search and type the United States. That's the country we are going to target in today's explanation. And here, wait for it to load and zoom in on the states. And here, make sure to choose a state, the state that you are going to target in today's explanation. So here, for example, I'm going to choose Houston or San Antonio. I'm just going to zoom in on Florida. So here I'm going to zoom in on Florida. Here I'm going to choose Tampa or St. Petersburg. I'm going to choose St. Petersburg. Here I'm going to zoom in on this city. Then you can go to the search again and choose a small business from your choosing. For example, gyms or hair salons, plumbers, or auto repair. For example, here we can choose auto repair and click on search to see all of the auto repair garages near this area. And before, guys, we dive into how you can choose the businesses that need, or the businesses that has the highest rate of purchasing your service. First, I'm going to talk about the services that we are going to offer them. So the first service is the website creation or renovation. If they don't have one, we are going to create a website for them. And if they already have a website, we are just going to check the website to see if there is any renovation that we can make to that website. The second service is the bad reviews removing. So you're going to check their profile in Google Maps to see if there are any bad reviews that would need to be removed. And the third service is the social media accounts managing. So you are going to check their social media accounts to see if there is anyone managing them or not. So here, in order to choose the accounts or the businesses that has the highest rate of purchasing your service, we're going to pay attention to two things: the sponsored written in the profile and how many reviews they have, or the number of the reviews that they have. So here, make sure always the profile of the business that you are going to reach out to has less than 150 reviews, and it doesn't have a sponsor written in the profile. So for example, this one is not what we are looking for. Same thing with this one, it has more than 150 reviews. Same thing, and this one is what we are looking for. It is auto repair industry, less than 150 reviews. So let's click on their profile, and here by scrolling down we'll be able to see their website. So let's check their website if it needs any renovation. So here it looks like the website is not even working. So that's the first service we are going to offer them, which is the website creation. Let's close this and let's scroll down to see if we can find some bad reviews that we can use to convince them to purchase our service. So here we have a 5-star review, 5-star, 5-star. Here let's go to more reviews and let's scroll down, wait for it to load, and here let's scroll down until we find a 1-star or 2-star review. So here we only have the 5-star reviews. So just keep scrolling. And here we have a 1-star review from a local guide, which makes things even worse. And here, not sure why, but my radiator hose and the plastic pad that hose goes into for it to go down the reservoir tank was left on top of my valve cover gasket. If I wasn't the type to look under the hood, my car could have started to overheat with no way to heat myself, because the hose being left on top of the valve cover would have burned up as well. So here the owners responded, please feel free to contact us if you have any issues. We always stand behind our work. Update, after talking with our crew, we knew which car this was and we had declined doing work on it because it had been so patched up. We never worked on your car. If you can provide a receipt, we will gladly refund you. So here the owners are so they refuse to take credit for what they have done to his car, and they are claiming that they didn't even do any work on his car. So let's scroll down to see if we can find another bad review that we can. So take a screenshot of the first one, then keep scrolling until you find another bad review that we can use to convince these business owners to purchase our service. So here let's scroll down. We are having only the 5-star reviews, a 4-star review, and here we have a 2-star review from another local guide. The shop took too long to repair my vehicle and the repairs are overpriced. So this is another bad review from another local guide. So we can take a screenshots for this one and the other one. Then we are going to send them to the business owners when we send them a message talking about the services we offer and how those services are going to help the business gain more clients and eventually gain more money. And as I said in the beginning, you won't need any skill to deliver those services. You will just go to Fiverr.com, which is a freelancing platform where you can hire freelancers to deliver the services instead of you. So here, if we convince this business owner to purchase our service of creating their website and removing the bad reviews for them, we can get paid easily $300, and we will just come to Fiverr.com. We will hire this freelancer for a website creation for only $80. Then we will hire this other freelancer to remove the bad reviews for $25, and we can take the rest of what's left of $300, and that's a very good money to make without even knowing any skill. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.